What is going on, guys? Today we got a brand new video. This one's gonna be a little like controversial with you guys. So we got the Speed, and then we also have the Jace's Mazda 3, which is not here. He's just out warming it up. Super condensation, super cold, winter time in Canada right now. So today we're gonna be doing something that you guys might be a little like on. You guys might get a little upset, and that's okay because there's a lot of things going on with these two cars right now that I don't want to explain yet, but I will be explaining soon. So basically, Jason's Mazda 3, my old Mazda 3, it's got BC Racing coilovers on it, and today we're gonna be taking those off that car and putting them on my Speed. Now you guys are gonna get really upset and say, oh, you're so, like parting out the Mazda 3. We're not parting out the Mazda 3. We're working into something that, like I said, I don't want to explain yet. I will explain later on, but I don't want to explain now. So I'll explain in maybe a month or so what's going on. You guys won't see much of the car because it's getting a little winter anyway, so we're not going to be like doing stuff to that car, but the Speed's getting its stuff. Like I have a 50/50 blow-off valve, bypass valve, the 3-inch intake, and then also, I gotta get access port and fuel pump internals for the Speed. So the Speed's getting the love over the winter, and then same with the 323. So the two controversial cars right now are the 323 and the Jace's Mazda 3, which, like I said, I'll explain further on. Not right now though. But anyways, scrap all the scrap. So today we're gonna be putting the Mazda 3's BC Racing coilovers on the Speed, and then we're gonna be putting the Speed suspension on the Mazda 3. As y'all see, there she is. It's on Steely's right now. Anyways, like I said, it's not being parted out. We're working towards something, and like I said, I'll explain it. So anyways, we're gonna go ahead and get started probably with the fronts, because the fronts are pretty pain, so are the rears, and basically we're doing 2 times the work today, so all sucks. Can you shut up? So let's go ahead and get today's video. We'll start with raising up the cars, taking the wheels off, and pulling out the front struts. And hopefully it gets sunny because it is really cold. It's like 11 in the morning right now, and it's a shade, so.
I should jerk off more, then I'd have the stamina for this.
I see his leg, it's done, yay.
Coffee break. Tool jockey.
Unpaid.
Yeah.
Okay, so I just got in the one coilover on this side, which then we are putting the regular struts on this. This one still has to go in. We're taking off the rally armors, probably gonna put them on my car.
They'll look really good when you get wheels for it.
I wonder where I'm getting those wheels from. Where am I getting those wheels from? I'm cutting that out. Yeah. Where am I getting those wheels from?
I don't know. Maybe from eBay. This side skirt is coming off.
Why?
Because it's mucked.
The side skirt?
Yeah.
Dude, you can't take those off.
Well, they're destroyed.
What do you mean? How are the side skirts destroyed?
Hold on, I gotta record your reaction.
What did you do?
What did you do to them?
What's wrong with this?
Nothing, I'm just wasting your time.
I can hate you, dude. What's wrong?
I don't know why he took this whole piece off of his.
What did I take off?
I literally just left it on.
Hey!
The lesson of today's video is work smarter, not harder.
What did I fucking do? Yo, deadass, what did I do?
Okay, so you had to put these brackets back on, right?
Uh-huh.
Why didn't you just do that? Just leave it attached.
Yeah, cool.
This is weekend number 2 on the rear end. Okay, this is what happened. This is what happened last time. Got those fresh, crispy new boys and new lower control arms.
All right, boys. So the rear of the Speed suspension is almost done. Took the one shock out. Now I'm just working on this one. Gotta wait for some tools. Jace is currently taking his shock bolts out of the Mazda 3. The rear coilover springs are here and they're ready to go in. We just clean them up. We're gonna lower them a bit because they're a little high. And then we'll be putting it all back in, swapping over the cars. Bingo bango. Speed's got coilovers. 3 is back to the OEM.
So, ladies and gents,
Amber destroys me. You guys can hear me. Fun tip with the Mazda Speed 3 hatchbacks or the Mazda 3 hatchbacks. So we have to do a little bit of grinding with the rear coilovers for the BC set, the BC Racing coilovers. Knob that sits right here to adjust your softening and hardening. It's in the way. There's a little piece of the frame right here, which you have to sand and round it out for this to fit, and being involved to adjust it, which we're doing on this side right here. So make sure you do that on both sides. Just a little tip if you guys are installing BC Racing coilovers on the hatchbacks. I don't know why, but okay. And we are finally complete with this garbage car. I don't know even how much we recorded of this. Speed set at a decent height. Also rally armor mud flaps also installed on the Speed, looking like a snack. This is smelling like a snack. So we fell into an issue. I don't know if I did cover this. The trunk is all apart right now. Essentially what happened, a common issue with these cars is these bolts that come down to hold the shock tower in place snap. This one accidentally snapped off, and we've been fighting this all weekend. We did epoxy this, so hoping all is well, and hopefully that stays. We did fix this yesterday. It was clunking. I don't think there was a flat enough surface for the top to sit on because the washer was bending. We're just gonna leave this here. Now you guys know that the Speed has been coilovered. It looks pretty pooched, and I think it looks sick.
Hi.
This wasn't really an install. It was just kind of like showing you guys that we were doing this. Pain in the ass. Don't buy an Alberta car if you're from somewhere else. That's my tip. I spent over $500 on the control arm, fixing the control arm, and then I ran into this issue, and it's just a big mess. So questions, comments, leave them down in the comments below. If you guys enjoyed, make sure to hit the subscribe button. Other than that, guys, got more videos coming your way. I got Turbo Smart 50/50 for the next upload. Other than that, keep it real. I'll see y'all in the next one.